Presenting 375 Crickett Lane. A true builder's home with immaculate attention to detail. Sitting atop a manicured hilltop overlooking the valley to the west with breathtaking sunsets. The lot encompasses 5 acres, is fully fenced with a gated entry, and borders public land for access to abundant recreation. Irrigation is provided to 3.6 acres of land via a spring with water rights. With 2 bedrooms and a full bath on each floor, the home suits a number of living arrangements, including multi-generational. The first floor provides abundant space for full-time living, with wall-to-wall views. A large glass door combines indoor and outdoor living with an expansive wraparound patio. This level features all solid core doors, a beautiful tile shower, underlit amber onyx bar, and bright hickory floors. A second level enjoys plentiful features: in-wall surround sound, rare schist countertops, and clear-grain craftsman cabinetry. The kitchen takes in views from the south and west of the local mountain range, including $8 Mountain. This level has a large bathroom with lavish finishes, travertine floors with tile base, and schist counters to match the kitchen. The second level features a guest room and a master bedroom, which includes cedar shelved closets, in-wall bedside lighting, and an 8-foot glass door. The expansive deck wraps around the home and is covered for year-round enjoyment. The Illinois Valley is known for a mild climate and jaw-dropping natural beauty, including the Illinois River, an established and growing wine industry, and lush landscapes, including the Kalmiopsis wilderness. This offering provides a buyer with the opportunity to enjoy a custom home with no expense spared, self-sustaining water, and a relaxing rural atmosphere. Thank you for touring this property with us today.